Established in 1999, Orjin Automotive continues its production and sales activities in its factory equipped with the latest technology with a closed area of 15,000 square meters in Bursa. With more than 400 employees, Orjin produces suspension and steering parts for passenger and light commercial vehicles, such as wishbone, tie rod end, axial joint, and anti-roll bar drop link. In addition to its current production, Orjin Automotive also produces the wishbones of vehicles that are renewed in the constantly changing vehicle park, and commissions approximately 20 new wishbone molds every year. Advanced CNC vertical machining centers and equipment are used in the production of new wishbone molds. Method engineering for the design and production of molds. Reverse engineering method is applied by using CATIA, Top Solid, and PTC CREO programs in collaboration with design and molding house. In the wishbone production line, cutting, pressing, welding operations, and assembly of the sheet metal are carried out under the same roof. For these processes, eccentric and hydraulic presses between 30 and 500 tons, friction presses of 400 and 800 tons, welding robots, and semi-automatic welding machines are used. In addition to the presses, the cutting of the sheets is done with the latest version laser cutting machine in full dimension, and at the same time, the wishbone delivery to the customer is made in a shorter time. Orjin Automotive produces and installs approximately 8,000 types of ball joints, axial joints, rod shafts, anti-roll bar drop links, and wishbones. The company puts into operation approximately 300 new products every year, prioritizing the quality understanding and customer expectations for the renewed vehicle groups. Orjin Automotive has the capacity to make approximately 100 molds per year, in line with the production plans in its forging line. In this way, it aims to meet customer demands as soon as possible by forging the drafts of purlins and bodies. Orjin Automotive received grant support from Tubitak for 3 projects with servo-controlled cover plastering press, 4-axis special CNC milling machine, and rotary wrought head fatigue test device realized with its engineers and technical staff in design, engineering, and R&D departments. Orjin Automotive has ISO 9001:2015 and IATF 16949:2016 Quality Management System certificates, and in its laboratory, all dimensional measurements are made for the verification of the finished products with weld penetration measurements, oscillation and rotational torque controls, bushing life tests, hardness measurement, bending, tensile rupture, and ejection tests. Precision and efficiency in measurements are ensured by actively using a 3-dimensional measuring device in the new product commissioning phase and in mass production. The products are collected with utmost care in the assembly lines and are ready for packaging after the final control. There are approximately 5,000 types of products ready for sale in Orjin Automotive's warehouse, and all products are monitored with a barcode system. There is a traceability number and Orjin logo suitable for lot tracking on all the products offered to the consumer. Orjin exports 80% of its production abroad. Exports are made to more than 40 countries in South America, North Africa, and the Middle East, and especially European countries. The domestic sales of Orjin are around 20% of the total turnover, and this sale is carried out with stable dealers that dominate the Turkish market. In addition to the speed and product availability and quality of satisfying customer demands both abroad and at home, Orjin Automotive always takes Orjin Automotive one step forward in its sector with its flawless service approach. Orjin Automotive attaches great importance to the satisfaction of its employees and the observance of their social rights, not only with the philosophy of being a factory, but also with the philosophy of being a large family. Motivation of employees is supported by sports tournaments, trips, interviews, picnics, and similar activities. Orjin Automotive has adopted the primary goal of ensuring the satisfaction of all its stakeholders, especially its customers. And as an environmentally friendly company, it has adopted the principle of contributing to the economy of the country and the world in a stable manner.